Hello and Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to talk about heat stroke, which is a very important topic considering the weather is very hot these days, especially in our area. So what can we do? How can we recognize its symptom? And most importantly, how can we prevent it? So let's dive right in. Heat stroke is a medical emergency that occurs when your body overheats due to prolonged exposure to high temperatures or physical exertion in extreme heat. It happens when your body's natural cooling mechanisms, such as sweating, fail to regulate your internal temperature. Recognizing the symptoms of heat stroke is crucial because prompt actions can save lives. The signs can include throbbing headache, dizziness, nausea, rapid heartbeat, confusion, high body temperature, red and hot skin, and even unconsciousness. So, how can we prevent heat stroke? Here are some important tips to keep in mind. First, stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day, even if you don't feel thirsty. Avoid sugary and alcoholic beverages. Second, dress appropriately. According to the weather, wear loose fitting, lightweight, and light colored clothing that allows your skin to breathe. Don't forget a wide brimmed hat or a sunglasses. They can protect your face and your skin and even your eyes. Limit outdoor activities. Try to avoid being outside for prolonged duration, especially during the hottest hours of the day, usually between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. And even if you must go outside, take proper measures and try to take small breaks in shaded areas or air-conditioned areas. Okay, now let's talk about what to do if you suspect someone is experiencing heat stroke. First, call the emergency services immediately. While waiting for help to arrive, move that person to a cooler, shaded area and remove any excessive clothing. Fan their body or apply cool, damp towels to help lower their body temperature. And most importantly, stay with them and monitor their condition until medical professionals arrive. Remember, heat stroke is a very serious condition, but with awareness and proper precautions, we can stay safe and enjoy the summer months to the fullest. Stay cool, stay hydrated, and take care of yourselves and those around you. Thanks for watching the video. We'll see you in the next one.